super enthu when it comes to stats, analysis, जो भी होता है, you're always excited. But what is the most exciting thing, according to you, about season 3?
You know, it was so long ago, I have forgotten kind of. But for me, the most exciting part of, stop laughing please, most exciting part,
She doesn't have a laptop here, no? So she always was always getting all the info right. यहाँ से.
okay, concentrate guys, focus, let me focus. You know,
She's turned red.
so the most exciting part of, about Rohini, for me, my director here, sitting next to me, just prompted, is, I think, that Rohini goes and looks for her family. And for the first time in 3 seasons, you see the history behind Vayu and Rohini's family, and you know, it becomes much more personal and hence much more layered. You understand where these two brother, sister, you know, where have they come from? You know, how have they reached here? What has been their journey and the reason behind, you know, the people they are. And it's extremely well written, and I have to say this at this point, that Karan, and with the writer's room that we have, which is incredible, and with the director each year, and this year Kanishk, all the parts are so well written, but especially the women parts, and like Karan was saying, they are incredibly well-rounded and empowered, and they have their own agency, which is, you know, which is not something you see every day. So that, and also the very exciting part is, you know, we have our old family, and we have new entrants, which is Kanishk and Akshay. So yeah, we have a lot of new team members, which is incredible, and you must see it on 3rd of December to know more.
And I would vouch, second the fact that you said that there are empowering women, and you guys have just done justice to the characters, and all the best. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
3 cheers to the girl power. Tanuj,
yes.
You've been apart from season 1. What has changed so far for Vayu Raghavan, and why?
Firstly, his age. I mean, no, jokes apart, I was 29 when I started shooting for the first season. I'm going to be 35 now, so a lot has changed in 6 years in my life, right? I mean, like, you grow, you evolve, you mature. Okay, that might be debatable, but we try. And I feel somehow you are able to tap into something inside of you and give that to your character, and vice versa. And also because of Karan and the amazing set of writers that we've had season after season, they keep throwing Vayu into these interesting new scenarios and situations, you know, where he always has his back against the wall. And it's truly been fascinating. I actually joke with my friends. I think that Vayu is my best imaginary friend that I never had, because as I see him growing from season to season, I see myself as well. And it's very rare for an actor to get the chance to portray a role time after time, because many of us here do web series as well as films. But the one massive advantage of doing a web series is that you get to revisit that character and just see which way the wind blows. So it's been fascinating, and yeah.
Vayu indeed is a super cool personality, and we love Vayu. So
thank you so much.
And all the best. And to the new entrant, Akshay, how would you describe Rohit Shanbag?
Rohit is, as you said earlier, Captain Cool. I think that he has a complete contrast to Vayu Raghavan's personality. And actually, first, I'd really like to thank Karan and Kanishk, but I had never really played cricket before, personally. And they trusted me to, go off and learn, and gave me an incredible coach, Prashant, and I worked day and night with him. And I just really, it's really thanks to them that they trusted me enough to go work on this thing, because Rohit is a great batsman. So yeah, that's the gist of the guy.
Wishing you all the best, and a big shout out to Prashant Kataria as well.
Absolutely, man. He's fantastic.
Yes. Yeah,
absolutely.
Let's have a huge round of applause for the cast makers of Inside Edge Season 3. And now, I'm sure, मेरा नंबर कब आएगा ऐसा होगा वहाँ से कि सचिन कितने सवाल पूछेगा. Well, we are opening the floor for the media Q&A, पर उससे पहले मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि please stick to the questions related to Inside Edge Season 3. And before you ask the question, identify yourself and the publication that you belong to. It's that simple. With that, I open the floor for the media Q&A, and I request volunteers to please help our friends from the media with a mic.
Hi, this is Nikita from India Forums. Guys, the trailer has brought us on the edge of our seats. My question is for Farhan sir. Farhan sir, Excel has always come up with eating projects like be it Mirzapur or Inside Edge or a movie. So what drives you as a producer?
That reaction. That's it. I mean, when people feel the way you've just felt after seeing this, that inspires us to keep going. So I hope we can keep making you feel this way. That's really all it is.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Nawaz from Team Miss Malini and absolutely love the trailer. But my question is to Aparna ma'am. So Aparna ma'am, like you mentioned that this was Inside Edge was probably the first original series from Amazon. I want to know what was so appealing about Inside Edge that you decided to go ahead with it as the very first original series.
Of course, this incredible team that put it all together. But I think the fact that it was an interesting cocktail of sports and entertainment, the two real passions that our country has. You couldn't have gone wrong with that.
Hi, this is
Thank
hi,
you,
this is
Nawaz.
Pratham from Latestly. On your left, on your right, rather.
Hi,
Here, here
that's
in the
right.
corner.
On to the left on the
Yeah, that.
wall.
I have a question for Tanuj. Tanuj, how your character has evolved in all these 3 seasons? You have just talked about it, but through all those manipulations, all those maneuvering tactics, and are you going to wear the proverbial hat of the captain in this one?
I think the answer to all your questions will be out there from the 3rd of December. Because we can't get into spoiler territory right now. But I mean, leading up to this point, of course, just in real life, as we grow and we evolve, so do these fictional characters. And as I gave in my previous answer, a lot of credit has to go to Karan and the writers because they have made sure that he's not just one prototype character, because you guys loved him the first time around. But if we just did a rehash of that and there was nothing new to offer in the second season, then you guys would get bored. So we have tried to keep the momentum and give him interesting scenarios, show how he reacts to different situations, different people, some strife in his personal life, some strife in his career, and everything come together. So it's been fascinating, and I don't think he's ever been tested as hard as he's about to be tested in the 3rd season. But for the answers, you'll have to check out Inside Edge.
One quick question to Vivek Oberoi. Richa just said kanda. She used the word kanda. It did not land well though. Layers after layers, onion, and we have seen that the shades of grey and positive both. How do you see all these layers? Are they evolving? Does that help you evolve as a person, as a performer as well?
That's a very Kanda question. Lots of layers in that question itself. If we go back to the genesis of Inside Edge, it became India's first multi-genre series, right? You had 2 things, sports and politics, which are both highly spoken about. At every pan ki tapri that you go around, to every boardroom that you go to in India, there'll be a conversation about cricket and politics, always. So that obsession kind of was written in. But how do you make it interesting? I think the soul of Inside Edge, Karan and the writers, what they've created is the characters. That's why there's such a high sense of identification with every character. When you read forums, when you read responses, when we go online, when we meet fans, they're always relating to each character, right? They've got some personal relationship going on with each character. Somebody's totally in love with Shayoni, somebody's totally in love with, what Tanuj is playing as Vayu. So I think that connect is what matters. And how do you keep that connect? Over the past 4 or 5 years, over 3 seasons, you have to keep layering the characters, peeling layer after layer, getting you to see deeper, getting you to know them more, getting you to see their vulnerabilities. And that is a writing challenge. And that I think Karan and his writers have done phenomenally well. And that's what the differentiator of this show is. Every single character has kanda, has layers, has a potential to grow. But no bad breath, I promise you.
Hi, this is Sohail over here. Congratulations to the entire team. As the name goes, Inside Edge, काफी edgy है, and sleeky, culty, you can say, My question is to Farhan and Vivek. As a child or as a teen, एक cricket उसका किट ओन करना was a very proud moment. तो अगर उस बात को लेकर कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे, if you have any memories actually, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I remember when I was a child and Vivek got me my first, my first cricket kit. नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है, मतलब सभी के मेमोरीज हैं क्रिकेट को लेके. It really is. I mean, it is an unlisted religion in this country. अगर आपके फैमिली में खून में थोड़ा बहुत क्रिकेट नहीं है तो you feel like you're less Indian. And so that's really what it was. I grew up playing cricket. I'm sure all of us have. बिल्डिंग में खेलते थे, रास्ते पे खेलते थे. अभी मुंबई में अनफॉर्चुनेटली स्पेस थोड़ी कम हो गई है तो इतना खेलने को नहीं मिलता. लेकिन I've always had cricket in my life. I've always had the conversation of cricket in my life. Some of the best memories that I have are around the TV with my parents and their friends, watching India win some incredible matches. Also heartbreak when India lost some very, very tight and close matches. So that really is a part and parcel of who we are. If we look into our lives, cricket has played a huge, huge role in connecting all of us. You know, you can't take that away. So it's just a part of who we are. Culturally, it's a part of who we are. The love for cricket.
Thanks, Will. Thanks for the question. To echo what Farhan said, all of us have grown up here. हम सब ने मोहल्ला क्रिकेट खेला है, गली क्रिकेट खेली है. मैदान नहीं होते हैं ज़्यादा मुंबई में, इसलिए you find all of us जहाँ पे संडे का दिन तो ऐसा होता था, खासकर वो रामायण वगैरह खत्म होती थी, उसके बाद सब रोड के ऊपर आ जाते थे खेलने के लिए. वो संडेज इन